Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to lock transform settings in Blender. So first we need to do is create a new object. So I go to add, then I go to mesh and I select here icosphere. Then we need to drag an icon with an arrow to the left side and we need to select here item. You will see here transform settings like location, rotation or scale. You can change dimensions here too. So for example, if we click G, we can move this object up or down. But if you will lock first 3 padlocks, you will not be able to move this object. If you will press G, you will not change position of this object. But of course, if you press R, you will be able to rotate this object. If you would like to lock rotation too, you need to lock another 3 padlocks, yeah? After that, you will not be able to rotate this object. The same situation with scaling. If you will press S, you can scale this object, but if you will lock next 3 padlocks, you will not be able to scale this object. Okay, so it is how it works. If I helped you to lock transform settings, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.